Once they said I couldn't do it, laughed it off like it's a joke. But I'm the spark, they're the fluid, lit the fire, watch me soak. Dreams they tried to cage and tether, claimed I'd never reach the sky. Took my pride, I pulled the lever, now I'm waving them goodbye. I'm standing tall against all odds, rising high above their clouds, breaking free of all the frauds. Hear me singing loud and proud, voices echoed in the distance, telling me to just give in, fueling strength in my persistence, turning whispers into
Okay, so I'm going to start by making my bed first, and then I will finish cleaning up all this on fast forward so you guys don't have to. Maybe I might even slow it down just a little bit, but here we go. We'll see how my pull everything off first. My bed. I don't know about you guys, but so I have been bleaching, right? Like my sheets, because I obviously have white sheets. But does anyone else have an issue with them turning their whites yellow? I'm killing you. It is insane. Besides, like myself with that. And yeah, always trying to get the sheets on and it just wants to stick. Much static.
Now my song is running free. I'm standing tall against all odds, rising high above their clouds, breaking free of all the frauds. Hear me singing loud and proud. Hear me singing loud and proud. She's got 1,000 thoughts racing in her head, dreams so big they shake her bed. Running fast, losing track of time, got a heart that chimes like a bell on high. Days go by in a whizzing whirl, fingers tapping, she's a busy girl, chasing stars but losing sight. Every day is a new fight, but she's dancing to her own song, even when the notes go wrong. Waves of doubt can't wash away the fire in her eyes that lights the way. Every step she takes.
I tell you what, man, I did like 4 loads of laundry because I pulled out like spring and of course some of my sweaters still. And I was so tired after other things, I forgot to just like do all my laundry. So, yeah. So I had 3 loads of laundry, and you guys noticed I am using my basket method. So everything in that blue basket does not belong in my room. So instead of leaving, I'm just putting it in there.
Painting skies with shaking hands, making magic no one understands. But she's dancing to her own song, even when the notes go wrong. Waves of doubt can't wash away the fire in her eyes that lights the way. Every steps into her own song, even when the
don't know about you guys, but does your like makeup area get super dirty? Because I like so try to keep it I don't know, clean, and I try to put stuff back, then I like rush and I feel like I just end up leaving it out. I don't know if it's like the system I have, so I did try to reorganize this a different way than I normally keep it to see if maybe it makes it easier for me to put stuff back, right? Like, my goodness. I don't know if you guys notice or not, but like, because I don't want my table stained, I got some of those like cheap, I think they're like drying mats for dishes, but I like them. So when I do my makeup, just wash that thing. You know what I'm saying? Like any type of little mat I keep down. And yeah, that always works really good for me.
I wanna whisper, ADHD, you twist and you turn. You light up my mind and let it burn. You make me late, you make me green, you make me forget the in-between. Started strong but I lost the thread. Now I'm chasing thoughts inside my head. Plans get tangled, tasks undone. Every step I take's a loaded gun. ADHD, why you steal my day? Run in circles, never finding my way. You make me hours disappear in a blur. Time slips away without a whisper. ADHD, you twist and you turn. You light up my mind and let it burn. You make me late, you make me late, you make me green, you make me green, you make me forget the in-between. Why must you tease, why must you play? You leave me weary by end of day. A million sparks, an endless scene. ADHD, why you gotta be so mean? ADHD, you twist and you turn. You light up my mind and let it burn. You make me late, you make me green, you make me green, you make me green, you make me forget the in-between. The in-between. Oh, you make me forget the in-between. The in-between. Catch me if you can, I'm a whirlwind. Heads in the clouds, but my heart's set on wind. Dreams like fireflies lighting up the night. ADHD's grip, but I'm ready to fight.
Swirls of colors in my mind's wide frame. Trying to focus, but it's a wild game. Plans scatter like leaves in a gusty wind. Gotta pull them back and start again.
Oh, I'm chasing dreams on the run, aiming for the stars, dancing in the sun. Every hurdle's just a step to climb.
ADHD won't stop this heart of mine. Lost in thoughts like a maze with no end. But every twist and turn's a new trend. Missteps are just tunes in my melody. I'm writing my own destiny.
They say slow down, girl, don't stray. But I'll paint my own sky my own way. Can't box my spirit, can't tame this soul. Wild and free, that's my goal.
Oh my gosh, I am almost done. Like my energy level was totally failing me. Like I'm not even kidding. Like it was so bad that I was like just, oh my goodness, finally I'm gonna vacuum. And then I had some more laundry bags to take, and that's mainly like my spring clothing. I pulled it out of my closet like storage area that I have in there, and I'm gonna be rewashing them. before I put those away. But yeah, it was going so much better. It was almost done, and I swear, I was just like, I don't even want to do anything in my room. So terrified. I was like, I'm just gonna mess it up. But yeah, totally almost there. Finish line is in sight.
So free. Dreams they laugh at seem so crazy, but this fire won't let them face me. Got a heart that beats like thunder, breaking walls that pull me under. With each step I am much stronger. Hold on tight, it won't be longer. To the stars I'm reaching higher, burning bright with pure desire. When they said I'd fall and stumble, I just laughed and blew their bubble.
With a spark, I'll light the night up, turn their doubts to dust and rise up, wrapping hope around my spirit, singing out for all to hear it. Through the storms and windy weather, we'll take flight, we'll soar together. Sky's the limit once you find it. Let those dreams fuel up the pilot.
To the stars I'm reaching higher, burning bright with pure desire. When they said I'd fall and stumble, I just laughed.
Hey, thanks for cleaning with me, everybody. I hope it brought you guys motivation. All I have left there is my pile of socks that I gotta go through. I have a donations bag, and I'm gonna take all these cups down to the kitchen to do them. All right, guys, till next time, see you later. And if this gave you motivation, go ahead and try this video over here, and hopefully that will help you out with cleaning your kitchen. Later.
I'm reaching higher, burning bright.